Hi Nitish, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. And you?
I am also good. So, how is your preparation going on?
Yes, sir. My preparation is good.
Okay. So, Nitish, we as the ultimate coders inviting you for your first round of mock interview. So, let's start. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay. So, Nitish, can you just tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm Nitish Kirkire. I have completed my engineering in electronics and communication from Devgiri College of Engineering, Aurangabad. And later, I was preparing for some competitive exams. And from that, I'm not working anywhere. So now I'm having some responsibilities. That's why I want to join somewhere, and that's why I have joined the class.
Okay, so, you worked in where? In which domain?
No, sir, I was not working anywhere.
Okay.
I was just preparing for competitive exams.
Competitive exams, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, why did you left that? Means, are you not preparing now or
No, sir, I was not preparing from 1.5 years.
why?
From Corona, I
Huh?
was not there.
Okay.
I'm at my native place. So
Okay.
I
So,
stopped the
okay.
exams.
So, what is your dream?
Dream is to be successful in life.
Okay. Okay. So, can you just tell me about your some strengths or weaknesses?
My weakness is when I'm going anywhere. So I will be spend the time more and more at that time. Just I forgot the things I want to do, and my strength is when I am focused at one uh, thing that I will complete.
Okay, that is good. But you said if you'll go anywhere, you will be not focus on means what you are doing currently, correct?
Yes, currently means, sir, if I am having 2 to 3 tasks, then
Hmm.
when I'm going to one task,
Yes.
that I'm totally focused on that task, and
Okay.
focusing on that task, uh, I forgot the other task.
Okay. So you are saying that you are not a multitasker.
Yes,
You
sir.
will do single task at a time,
Time. Yes, sir.
at the same time. But in IT, you should be a multitasker.
Yes, sir.
We want a person who can handle multiple things at a time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir,
So,
I will adjust, sir. Adjust means uh, I will do, sir.
okay. Okay. So, can you tell me how will you approach to a problem?
First, I will uh, I will just uh, focus the problem. What is the problem? And then uh, I will think about it. How can we it getting solved? And then, if I'm not able to solve it, then I will uh, ask for help to someone. That is my friends or colleagues or anyone.
Okay. And means, Can you just tell me any problem that you have faced and how did you solve that?
Means, sir, in daily life or
Yes, yes. You
I'm
can
not
tell.
working. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. No, you can tell a problem means the
Any
all the
problem?
problems. Yes, any problem came. Okay.
Sir, I'm trying to remember anyone of it, the problem. Like one general problem, sir. If means I was going somewhere and I was forgot, sir. I was forgot to fulfill petrol in my bike, and after going some kilometers, uh, my bike was stopped, and nearby I am unable to search any petrol pump. On that time, I stopped there and think that here is no one to help me. So, and this place is new to me. That place was new to me, and so how can be out of this problem? So I was thinking and thinking. So I just called one friend, and um, I told him that I'm in this problem. So I don't know the uh, friend I was calling is close to me, but accidentally I was call him, and he is near to me. Actually, 10 to 12 kilometers. So the problem was solved. He came to me, and the he came to me with some petrol, and the problem was solved.
Okay. Okay. So how will you make the decisions? Means you can say like how much time you will take to make a decision, to take a decision.
Sir, depending upon the condition, which condition is there. If easy task or easy condition is there, the time will be less and the task will be tough, then the time will be more.
So can you tell me if you got a chance to be an animal, so which animal you would like to be?
Sir, can I hold on for 1 minute?
Yes, yes. Okay. So my question was, if you means imagine you will be an animal. So which animal you want to be, means if you got a chance to be an animal, so which animal you would like to be?
If I got the chance to be an animal, so I will be a I will be animal, and that is working in our farm. That is
Which
ox.
ox? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. And why?
Because sir, I'm an engineer, but also uh, before I'm a farmer and a
Yes,
child of a farmer. That's
yes,
I am very much connected to these animals like cow,
yes,
ox,
yes.
and these animals are very much close to us, close to me. I'm daily I'm working with them. That's why, and they do so much for us, but we are we are unaware. We are not aware of
We are
them,
unaware of it.
unaware of them.
Yes.
Because
Okay.
of them, we have some meal to eat.
Yes. Yes.
If they are not working in our farm, we can't eat anything, sir.
Yes. So what qualities you like of an ox?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get your question.
Is what qualities do you like from them?
What qualities?
Yes.
Hardworking, sir.
Yes. They will do hard work, but they will not say anything.
Yes, sir, because they
Yes.
can't talk, sir.
Yes. Okay. So Nitish, why should we hire you? Because there are a lot of resumes that came for this job role. Okay. So why
Yes.
should we hire you?
Sir, I'm hardworking, and if I'm focused on one thing, I will do that work perfectly. Yes, sir. I have got some uh, disabilities, like just I have said. Means I will focused on one thing. That time I forgot the other thing, but I will uh, work on it, and I should perform more and more to uh, write it. That's it, sir.
So why you choose web development? Is you are coming to IT. There are a lot of fields.
Sir, nowadays uh, all the procedures are means IT is nowadays IT will be very popular, and there will be frequently, sir, earning means great earning is there, and it is the reason. That's why not me, sir. All the persons are moving to IT. It is the main reason,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Means you don't have any interest in IT.
No, sir. First, anyone who want to move in IT, first they have interest
Ah,
and other things. Interest is the
yes.
first thing, sir.
Then
So I am
you can
having
say
interest in IT, sir.
yes. Then you can say firstly, I have a lot of interest in IT.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Because
sir.
if you will say IT is popular and I am going for money, then
No, sir. No, sir.
that impression will be not good. Correct?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to say what first. You don't say anything. Just say I have interest in IT. Means
Yes,
I
sir.
love the computers. You can say about means your friend. Okay. So so we'll move to the next question. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So we'll start with the technical round. Here we came to the end of your personal interview. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
We'll start with the technical. So if you want a glass of water, you can take it.
What, sir?
Yes. Means if you need a glass of water, you can take it.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language,
Yes.
and it is having version 1 to version 5, and
Used to develop web pages, static web pages.
yes, sir.
What is CSS?
Sorry, sir. I don't.
Cascading styling sheet.
Yes,
It
sir.
is used to style the web pages. Okay.
Yes.
Or HTML page. Okay. So next. Can you tell me the difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Actually, not knowing the difference, but we are using the HTML5 as it is more semantic. That's why we are using HTML5 version 5.
Yes. Okay. Semantic means what and why it is semantic?
In HTML4, there are some errors that got overcome in version 5.
Not errors. Some tags came in.
Yes, sir. Some tags are
Some
not there.
special tags. Yes.
Special tags are not there in version 4,
Yes.
and in latest version 5,
Yes.
that tags are there.
Yes.
So we are using version 5, and it
Yes.
is its syntax is uh, good. That is, it is more semantic.
Yes. Okay. So can you tell me what is float? Do you know float? I used float property. Float left, float right.
Yes, sir. To uh, float left side or right side, we are using the float property.
Means floating the element on the left side of a page or right side, or you can say align the item or HTML element either in the left side or the right side of the page. Okay.
Yes,
So if you know float, you should know clear. So what is clear?
we are using clear both property
Yes, correct.
to
Clear has three values. Clear property has
yes,
three values. Do you know? One is you said as both, and two more are there.
I'm unable to recall, sir.
Yes, okay. So we'll move to the next question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between inline elements and a block level element?
Inline element always start in same line,
Mhm.
whereas the block element always start in new line.
Yeah.
And in inline element, we can't give top and bottom margin, whereas in box element we can give it. And inline
Okay.
element has the uh, width to equals to content, and whereas in box the width is always equal to its parent. That's it.
Can you tell me the examples?
No, sir.
Okay. Span is an inline element or a block level element. Okay. Div is an inline or block level? Block element.
Inline element.
Div.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So, so block level elements always starts from new line, correct?
yes, sir.
So if you use two divs, so is they come means besides each other, or it will start with a new line when you write anything in a div? Okay, so div is a
Sorry,
block
sir.
level element. Yes, span is a
Sir,
inline
actually,
element.
sir, HTML got tough to me as
Okay,
compared to JavaScript, sir.
okay. So you have to practice HTML also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So we'll move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can you tell me the types of selectors we use in CSS?
Universal selector, class selector, tag selector, ID selector.
Correct. And what is a box model?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay. What is the difference between margin and padding?
In content box, we give the padding, and outside it, we give the margin. We can give margin.
You are correct, but uh, just a 30% answer is correct.
Outside the element, we are giving margins, and inside it, the padding is there.
You can say outside the border
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and inside the border it's padding. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So next. So which is a single selection method and which is a multiple selection method? Selector. Sorry. Which is a single selection selector we use for unique selection?
Sir, I didn't get your question.
Okay. So are you comfortable or you need a 2 minutes time? Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable.
Okay. So Nitish,
Yes, sir.
yes. So why we use a border radius property in CSS? Border radius 0%, border radius 100%, 50%. Did you use the anytime border radius property?
Yes, sir. I used it, but now I'm unable to recall, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. I will just ask you if you want a button is there, okay? You want your edges to be a rounded in shape.
Yes, sir.
So how will you do that?
Yes, sir. To sharpen the inbox,
Edges.
the edges should be sharpened. So
Yes.
to cut that edges, we use this
What we use?
border radius.
Yes. Okay. So we'll start with the JavaScript. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Yes. Okay. So what is a JavaScript?
It is a object-oriented language, sir. We are using to program.
Okay. And what are the features of JavaScript?
I think, sir, I know one feature that is polymorphism. I think, sir, if I am correct, I don't know.
Yes, you are correct, but it comes in OOPS only, object-oriented programming. So this is also one feature. It is object-oriented programming language. So besides that,
Yes, sir, I am only.
okay. Okay. So can you tell me how many types of data types are there in JavaScript?
Yes, sir. There are two types of data types, and that are primitive and non-primitive.
Yes. In primitive,
Primitive holds value.
yes.
Non-primitive holds reference. Primitive data type, there are string, number, boolean, undefined, and null.
And non-primitive data types are
Non-primitive,
functions, objects, arrays. Sorry, not
yes, sir,
arrays.
object and array.
Yes, function. Okay. So what is a string?
What's it?
What is a string?
Strength.
String. What is a string?
String. String is nothing but the combination of word or numbers or everything, sir. But generally, it is the combination.
Okay. And just it is a sequence of characters. String is a
Yes.
sequence of characters. Okay. So what is hoisting in JavaScript?
The default behavior to move all the declaration at the top of scope.
Yes. And what is scope?
Scope means, sir, where only the declarations will be there, not their values.
No. There are. Can you tell me how many types of scopes are there in JavaScript?
Two types of local
Okay.
scope and global scope.
Yes. Tell me the difference between local scope and global scope.
So in local scope, if we are defining any value, what means the in local scope values are in Windows, and in global scope, the values should be in that function only. We are defining in that function.
You said there are two scopes.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me one more time which are they?
Local scope and global.
Global. And you said window for local scope.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. I was wrong, sir.
Okay.
In local scope, the value should be present in the function, and in global scope, the value present in window.
Yes. Means availability and accessibility of a variable is inside a function in local scope, and in global scope, it is
Availability and
throughout the
accessibility.
program
Yes,
from
sir.
where it is declared.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is about the scope. So tell me what is coercion?
Sir, coercion is nothing but the transformation of one data type into another data type.
Yes. So how many types of coercion are there?
Type coercion.
No, how many types of coercion are there?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay, fine. So what is what is meant by the conditional statements? Tell me the example of conditional statement. How which are the
If,
yes, correct.
if else,
Yes,
ladder,
if else ladder, and next
switch.
switch. Yes, and
Can we
do you
say,
know?
sir, some means, sir, to apply some conditions,
Yes, yes. If
we
there
can
is
use
any
the conditional
condition,
statement.
yes. And tell me if I want to print numbers from 1 to 100.
Yes.
So how I will print that?
We can use if condition, sir.
For
Using
printing
if
the
condition.
numbers from 1 to 100, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then share your screen. Okay, write a program. Just don't show me the output. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just write a program in a notepad. नहीं ये folder create करने का नीतीश.
Okay.
No, just what you do is just write a program there.
Yes, sir.
Don't show me the output. Just
Okay.
I will see how will you proceed. I will tell you where you are wrong. Okay. So
Okay,
print
sir.
the numbers from 1 to 100. Can I give you a hint?
Yes, sir.
I will give you a hint.
Yes, sir.
If you want to print numbers from 1 to 10, okay, what you will use? If
If.
is used for condition, okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to print the number from 1 to 100, then do you know loop?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How will you print the numbers from 1 to 100 in if condition? You have to use what? Loop. For loop.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
know for loop?
Yes, sir.
Yes. There is no need to put a if condition. Okay. Yes.
Up to 100, sir.
Yes. 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 Okay. So if I want to print the numbers, sorry, only the even numbers, then how I will means what I will do? What you will
Sir,
do?
sir, we have to apply uh,
Yes, you can
ano-
write.
another. Yes, sir.
Yes.
If condition here.
Yes.
Sir, we want to print only even numbers.
Yes. Only even numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Something is wrong. Something means your logic is correct. Okay. But what is wrong is you have written a if condition syntax wrong.
Yes, sir.
Check where did you did wrong syntax. You have written if condition correct. You have consoled correct. But just something is missing. Ah, yes.
Curly braces, sir.
Yes. Okay. So correct. This is a correct program. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Nitish, we are
Yes, sir.
done with this interview. So do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. I am not having any questions
Okay.
because this is my first interview, sir.
Yes, yes.
And
I can
and
understand. Yes.
frequently, sir, I was not prepared so much,
Okay. But it is
and
gone means very
I
well.
don't know, sir, how about it,
Yes,
this
because this is
interview.
your
But
first interview. So this is means in your batch, this is the best interview till now. Okay. So what you do is you have to prepare for technical as well as you have to work on your English. Okay. Means
yes,
just
yes, sir.
what you do
Definitely.
is you members join in a team. You make good friends in the team. You make Mukund or
Yes,
Mahendra friends and try to practice every Saturday, Sunday like this. Means on Sunday, you can try interviews. You can take interviews of each other for 10
yes, sir.
15 minutes. Okay. So that
Yes,
will help you in the final. Okay.
yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Definitely.
And also, I want a good means means improvement in next interview. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.